What's up guys, my name is TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, back with another Winter 2019 Steamville Holiday Quest Guide. So the daily quest for today was released the 21st of December 2019, and the challenge is check out Steam Lab's community recommendations. Discover games people are enjoying on Steam in Steam Lab's community recommendations. So to get this achievement, all you need to do is either click or control click on Visit Steam Labs to open it in a new tab. Heading across to it, all that we need to do here is simply scroll down, look at a couple of these different games, and as far as I know, you don't need to click anything here. You can click the Show Advanced Controls, change a few things up here, maybe type in a tag or something, and you can minimize it, click on a game, and then just close out of this tab. Then we'll come back here and we'll hit Control F5 if we're in a browser, or if you're using Steam, you can restart Steam entirely to make sure that the page actually refreshes properly. And once you've done that, you'll see the little check mark over there. As far as I know, some people still might be having issues, may need to go online and offline in their friends list. I've heard that works for some people, but this should work without issue as it's one of the simpler quests. Anyways, thank you all for watching today's Steamville Quests video. I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao.